In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove duplicate data in Excel. If you work with spreadsheets regularly, duplicate entries can cause all kinds of problems, from inaccurate reports to messy employee or customer lists. The good news is that Excel makes it very easy both to identify duplicates and to remove them. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do both in a clear and reliable way. To begin, select the data you want to check for duplicates. For example, if you only want to review a list of employee IDs, highlight just that range of cells. This is important because Excel will only search within the selection you make, so choosing the right cells helps you get accurate results. Once your data is selected, go to the Home tab. From there, click Conditional Formatting, then move to Highlight Cells Rules and choose Duplicate Values. This tool is useful when you want to visually inspect repeated entries before deleting anything. It gives you a quick way to spot issues without changing the data yet. A dialog box will appear, and here you'll want to keep the setting on duplicate. Then choose a formatting color, such as light red fill with dark red text, and click OK. Excel will immediately highlight all duplicate values in the selected range. This makes it easy to scan your sheet and confirm whether the repeated items are actually errors or whether some of them should stay. After reviewing the highlighted data, you can move on to removing duplicates. This time, select the entire table, including the headers. For example, if your data set includes employee ID, employee name, and department, make sure the full table is selected rather than just one column. This matters because removing duplicates from a complete table helps preserve the structure of your records. Next, click the Data tab and then select Remove Duplicates in the Data Tools group. This opens the tool that permanently removes repeated records based on the columns you choose. In the Remove Duplicates window, make sure the option labeled My Data has headers is checked. Then select the columns you want. Excel to compare for duplicates. In this example, that could include employee ID, employee name, and department. Once the correct columns are selected, click OK. Excel will then process the table and remove the duplicate records. After that, it will display a confirmation message telling you how many duplicate values were found and removed, along with how many unique values remain. And that's it. You've now learned how to find duplicate data with conditional formatting and remove duplicate records using Excel's built-in tools.